Hi guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to create beautiful and amazing images for free using AI. First of all, open your browser. Now search Gemini AI. Now open this site. Now add your prompt here. Prompt is in description. Now add your image. You can also make little changes in prompt according to your image. Now click on Submit. It will take up to a few seconds. And here are the results. You can download these images for free. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.